6-pole rounds provide 2 additional functions not found in 4 poles, and those are electric brakes and an auxiliary power lead. Tow vehicle end socket only. Weatherproof rubber boot protects back of connector. Impact and corrosion resistant. Quick and easy to install. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. 6-pole rounds provide 2 additional functions not found in 4 poles. These functions are electric brakes and an auxiliary power lead. The most common use for this type of plug is for horse trailers. Top reviews from the United States. I now have a tow system that works. If you have a Class A motor home and tow a vehicle, you need this 6-pole connection in order to keep the towed vehicle's battery charged. I went through a lot of hassle trying to work with a 4-pole connector, and ended up with a low battery twice on a long trip. Use this with the Hopkins 47053 cable and your life will be much easier. Don't try to hook it up without a voltage meter, and don't reverse yourself when looking at the wiring diagram. Recheck, recheck, recheck.